A mysterious visitor from the depths of interstellar space has once again crossed into our solar system, a cosmic traveler unlike the countless comets born from our own sun's domain. This rare celestial object, officially designated 3I/Atlas, marks only the third confirmed interstellar comet ever observed by astronomers. Its sudden arrival and graceful passage past Mars have reignited fascination among scientists and stargazers alike. No one saw 3I/Atlas coming until it was already entering the outskirts of the solar system earlier this year. Detected by the asteroid Terrestrial-impact last alert system, ATLAS, in Hawaii, the comet was initially thought to be an ordinary body from the Oort Cloud. But as its orbit was traced, it became clear this object was not bound by the sun's gravity. It was moving too fast on a hyperbolic path, a telltale sign that it had come from beyond our solar neighborhood. This revelation sparked excitement across the astronomical community. Only two other interstellar visitors had ever been confirmed: Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, and 2I/Borisov, detected in 2019. Each had offered precious, fleeting glimpses into the materials and mysteries of other star systems. Now, 3I/Atlas promised to extend that knowledge even further. Last week, the comet made its closest pass to Mars, sweeping past the red planet in a breathtaking interstellar encounter. Traveling at speeds exceeding 100,000 kilometers per hour, the comet left behind a faint glowing tail that shimmered against the blackness of space. To the human eye, it would have appeared as a small blur of light, but to scientific instruments, it was a treasure trove of data. The European Space Agency's ESA Mars Express spacecraft, orbiting Mars since 2003, had a perfect vantage point. Equipped with powerful imaging systems, the probe turned its cameras toward the incoming comet. On Friday, it captured a series of remarkable photographs showing a bright, fuzzy white dot drifting across the distant starscape. The newly released images, unveiled by ESA on Tuesday, may appear modest at first glance, a mere glowing speck in the void. Yet to planetary scientists, these snapshots are windows into an alien world. The comet's glow reveals the presence of volatile ices and dust sublimating as it races through space. Its spectral signature carries clues to its chemical origins. Early analysis suggests that 3I/Atlas contains compounds rarely seen in typical solar system comets. These unusual materials hint that it may have formed around a distant star, possibly in a system with conditions vastly different from our own. Studying these compounds could help scientists understand the diversity of planetary formation across the galaxy. The spacecraft's sensors also detected subtle changes in brightness, suggesting jets of gas erupting from beneath the comet's surface. As sunlight heated its icy crust, volatile elements boiled off, creating miniature geysers that propelled dust and vapor into space. These outbursts gave 3I/Atlas its hazy, uneven appearance. Astronomers working with ESA's data described the comet as alive with motion. Even from millions of kilometers away, it displays dynamic activity, a reminder that comets are not inert chunks of rock, but active, evolving bodies. 3I/Atlas's trajectory revealed another astonishing fact: it came from the direction of the constellation Lyra, a region of the sky known to host multiple exoplanet systems. Though its exact origin cannot be pinpointed, simulations suggest it may have been ejected from its home system millions or even billions of years ago. Over time, the comet drifted between the stars, frozen and dormant, until the gravity of our solar system pulled it briefly into the sun's domain. Its journey, spanning unimaginable distances, has made it one of the most ancient travelers ever recorded. For scientists, this is more than just a fleeting cosmic encounter. It's an opportunity to study material from another star system without leaving our own. Samples of interstellar dust analyzed from these observations may provide the first direct evidence of how chemistry unfolds in other corners of the galaxy. At the moment of its closest approach to Mars, 3I/Atlas was about 58 million kilometers from the planet's surface, close enough for Mars Express to detect fine details in its coma, or glowing atmosphere. The data collected will be compared with measurements from other missions, including NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which also captured glimpses of the comet's passage. ESA scientists described the event as a celestial coincidence of extraordinary rarity. Never before had an interstellar object pass so near to a planet with active orbiters ready to observe it. The result is a unique scientific record, one that may take years to fully interpret. Back on Earth, telescopes continued tracking the comet as it receded into the outer solar system. Ground-based observatories in Chile and Spain recorded faint light curves, confirming that 3I/Atlas was now speeding away. its brightness fading even as it vanishes into the dark, the data it leaves behind could illuminate mysteries about our cosmic neighborhood. Astronomers are already comparing it with 2I/Borisov, which had a much denser tail, and with the enigmatic Oumuamua, which showed no tail at all. Together, these objects form a growing catalog of interstellar messengers. Each visitor carries a distinct fingerprint of its birthplace. Some may come from young, energetic star systems rich in carbon compounds. Others, like 3I/Atlas, may originate from ancient, stable regions where ices and dust formed under colder, more pristine conditions. By analyzing their compositions, scientists hope to determine whether the ingredients of life, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, are universal across the cosmos. If so, interstellar comets could be the carriers that spread these building blocks from one star system to another. The presence of 3I/Atlas near Mars also raises intriguing possibilities about panspermia, the theory that life's ingredients can travel between worlds. While it's unlikely that living organisms could survive such a journey, complex organic molecules might endure, seeding new planets with the precursors of life. As it moves farther from the Sun, the comet is beginning to fade from view. Its ice is refreezing, and its bright coma is slowly dissipating. Soon, it will return to the interstellar void, continuing its endless voyage among the stars. Astronomers estimate it will not return ever. Its open trajectory ensures that 3I/Atlas is permanently leaving the solar system, never to be captured again. Its visit was brief but deeply meaningful. The discovery and observation of this comet reaffirm humanity's growing capability to detect and study objects from other solar systems. Just a few decades ago, the idea of seeing a visitor from beyond the stars seemed impossible. Today, it is a scientific reality. The ESA team will continue to process data collected by Mars Express over the coming months. Every pixel of the images could hold new insights, perhaps traces of exotic minerals, or unknown isotopes of hydrogen and oxygen. Meanwhile, astronomers around the world are refining their search systems, hoping to spot the next interstellar traveler even earlier. Projects like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile are expected to revolutionize these discoveries once fully operational. Each interstellar object that passes through our solar system is like a message from the galaxy itself, a fragment of another world whispering across light years. These cosmic messengers remind us that our solar system is not isolated, but part of a vast, interconnected universe. 3I/Atlas's fleeting visit past Mars may already be over, but its impact will endure for decades. It has expanded our understanding of what lies beyond our star and deepened our curiosity about the unknown. As it fades into the blackness between the stars, the comet leaves behind a legacy of wonder, proof that even in the silence of space, the universe still finds ways to reach out and touch us. And that tiny white speck captured by ESA's cameras, humanity glimpsed not just a comet but the boundless journey of matter, energy, and time across the infinite cosmos.